Question 7. A box contained black beads and white beads. At first, the number of black beads was 1/3 the number of white beads. That means black beads is 1 unit and white beads are 3 units. Now the change is 1/4 of the black beads and 3/8 of the black beads were used. Then we have 63 beads were left. What fraction of the beads were used? That means the total beads containing black and white beads. What fraction of them were used? Since 1/4 of the black beads were used, we need to take away 1/4 from 1 unit. But 1 cannot divide by 4 without giving a whole number. Hence we can times 8, and here we can times 8. That will give us 8 units and 24 units. Why times 8 is because I saw that 3 out of 8 of the white beads were used. That means that the total units for white must be a number that can be divisible by 8. So we need to find a number for black, the total units that can be divisible by 4, and a number for white, the total units that can be divisible by 8. Hence I times 8 for both. Now 1/4 of the black beads were used. So 1/4 of 8 units is 2 units. So 2 units was used. And we have 6 units left. And for white beads, 3/8 of the 24 units were used. And that will give us 9 units. That means 9 units were used. If 9 units were used, we cancel it away. The units that's left for white will be 24 units minus 9 units. And that gives us 15 units. So to find the answer for part A, what fraction of the beads were used? It will be 2 plus 9. That's the units that we used, black and white combined. So we have 2 units plus 9 units over the total units, which is 8 plus 24 units. That gives us 11 units over 32 units. So the fraction is 11 over 32. That's the answer for part A. For part B, how many beads were there in the box at first? Now we are told that 63 beads were left. And what is the units that are left? It's 6 units plus 15 units, and that's 21 units. So 21 units is equals to 63 beads. 1 unit is 63 divided by 21, that's 3 beads. And the total number of beads in the box at first will be 8 plus 24 units, that's 32 units. So 3 times 32 will give us 96 beads at first.